You've been handed a slice of cake, but oh no, there's fondant. What will you do? Will you survive this sugary nightmare? What now? Do you cry? Complain? Post about it online? Let me show you a revolutionary advanced level cake technique called Just Eat the Cake. Step 1. Identify the fondant. It's the smooth outer shell that offends people deeply for some reason. It's not plastic, it's just sugar, and you're allowed to hate it. Step 2. Engage in fondant removal surgery. Using the precision of a cake surgeon, gently peel the fondant off the cake. Avoid tearing the actual cake layer unless you're into chaos. And step 3, push it aside gracefully. Let it know it's not personal. No fondant was harmed in the making of this video, just emotionally rejected. Step 4, now eat the cake. The soft, fluffy cake, the creamy icing, the part you actually came for. Problem solved. But wait, isn't it wasteful not to eat the fondant? Oh, come on. People waste stuff all the time. If skipping fondant is where we draw the line, we might be aiming a little low. So fondant is mostly decorative. It makes your cakes smooth and beautiful. Think of it like edible wrapping paper. It's okay to peel it off. It's part of the presentation. That's why I call this the edible packaging. Totally optional, no guilt. You're still a good person if you don't eat it. In all seriousness, fondant is mostly decorative. It allows us to achieve these smooth, beautiful finishes and cover carved cakes and make these decorations that we just can't make out of buttercream icing. So if you want a big, beautiful custom cake that looks like it took about 8 hours to make and is still delicious on the inside, that outer edible wrapping may not get eaten, and that's okay. Tastes like peace of mind.